sip and serve with Russell's.
Today, we're doing something a little different. We're going to carve 2 parrots out of a pumpkin. To start, you'll need 1 full-size pumpkin. First, take a marker pen and carefully draw the outline of the 2 parrots directly onto the pumpkin. Once the drawing is done, begin cutting along the outlines. Slowly remove the excess pumpkin and set it aside. Remove all the pumpkin seeds and clean the inside thoroughly so it's neat and ready for carving. Next, gently peel the pumpkin skin where the parrots are drawn to reveal the beautiful golden color underneath. This will help the parrots stand out. Now start carving in the details, shaping the wings, beak, and body to bring the parrots to life. For the eyes, take 2 peppercorns and place them carefully to create a realistic eye effect. Once the carving is complete, place the pumpkin onto a plate. Add fresh lettuce around and behind the parrots to create a forest-like setting and enhance the presentation. And there you have it, a beautifully carved pumpkin featuring 2 parrots, creative, elegant, and ready to display.